Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coach Fresh. Today I'll be showing you 4 legit websites that pay you daily or weekly. You don't need a degree for this, no upfront fees. That means you register for free. Just have your phone and laptop and you are good to go. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel because I share websites that you can actually earn money online from. So the very first website here on my screen is Sprout Gigs, formerly Pico Workers. Sprout Gig is a micro-tasking website whereby you can actually earn money just by doing simple things like signing up for websites, writing comments, testing app, and you can withdraw your earnings through crypto. That is the good thing about this website. You can actually, if you have a crypto account or you have a knowledge about crypto, you can just withdraw your money through crypto. You can also withdraw through Payer or other global method, which makes it a very perfect website for Africans. And some tasks that you will complete, they will pay you within hours. So you can click on the sign up button and sign up to Sprout Gigs. I will also drop a link on my description so that you can easily sign up for these websites. So the next one here is Cambly. The sweet thing about this website is that you don't even need to do much. So long as you know how to speak English, just know how to speak. If you can speak English, then you are good to go. They will pay you to talk to students. So this website is basically designed for you to just speak to students in English. You don't need any teaching experience. All you just have to do is have conversations with them, help them practice English, and you will get paid for your time. Cambly pays every Monday via PayPal and it works perfectly from Nigeria. I also made a video on how you can actually create a PayPal account on this channel, so I'll be dropping the link also in the description. The very next website I'm going to talk about here is very special to me because it was the website that actually made my first dollars online. And it's Fiverr. With Fiverr, you can use tools like ChatGPT and Canva to offer digital services like writing bios for people, creating social media designs, and making resume. You don't even need to be an expert. Just use these tools to deliver quality work fast. It's very easy for you to use. You can use Canva for it. Fiverr pays through Payoneer or bank transfer. And with fast delivery gigs, you can earn daily from it. And also, if you're looking on how to actually create your very first Fiverr gig, I made a video on this YouTube channel. I'll also be dropping the link on how you can create your very first Fiverr gig and start earning from it. I'll drop the link to the video, so if you want to watch it, you can go and watch it. The last one is specially or specifically made for Nigerians. It is Owo Daily. Just by the name, you can tell. It's a local platform where you can earn money by completing tasks, promoting their offers, and sharing links. And the best part about this website is that it will pay you directly to your Nigerian bank account. So here you have it. These are the 4 websites that will pay you really fast. And they accept people from Nigeria or anywhere across Africa. So which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below, like this video, and most importantly, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, as I share more ways you can actually earn money online from the comfort of your home. So see you on the next video. Thank you.